boys and girls, this is Mrs. Jacobs, and I am here to show you how to submit assignments on our Google Classroom. Now, when you come to our Google Classroom, this is our home page, and it will bring you to the stream, which is up here. But the two main buttons that you're going to want to be looking at is our classwork button and the grades button. So we're going to take a look at both of those today. Looking at our classwork button, over here you'll see on the left-hand side all of our topic areas. These are all the areas that we are going to be using throughout the school year, daily and weekly. So as an example, let's go ahead and take a look at the math section. If we click on the math button, you'll notice that there is an assignment here. Okay, if I go ahead and click on the assignment, it will open up and kind of give you a preview here. Now, I can't write on anything yet. If I wanted to click on it, I can't do anything. But what you're going to want to do is open it with Kami. This blue button here is very important. This gives you the access to write on top of this document and to be able to submit it. So if I click on that button, it's going to open to a new page. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time, so you have to be a little patient with it because it's loading that document for us. Okay, so once it's loaded here, this now gives you the access to write on top of this. So I need to fill this in and submit it back to my teacher. So I'm just going to write here. And if you click on it on top of the document, it will automatically show a text box option. Now I want to be able to write in black, or if I wanted to write in red, but most of the time we're going to be using this black color right here. Now let's just say I'm 7 years old. Okay, and I know it needs to equal 7. So what number plus what number equals 7? Well, if I do 4, how many more do I need? 5, 6, 7. I need 3 more. Okay, so that's just kind of how you can write on top of this document using our text. If you want to draw something, you can go to this drawing tool button right here, and there's all these different colors you can use. Different strokes, how thick you want your strokes versus how skinny you want your strokes. Okay, this is how you draw on top of something. And if I wanted to use a different color, you can use a different color. Again, different thicknesses here. So that's how you draw. If you want to erase something, you click on the eraser and you just highlight on top of it and it will erase everything for you. If you want to use any shapes, like when we're drawing like ourselves, shapes is always nice because it does it for you. So you can draw a perfect circle if you want it in red, or if you want it in black, you can do that too. And again, if you want to go back and redo something, you can always click this eraser and start over and click on the shapes button here, click and drag. Okay, and if you don't want a circle and you want to use a triangle, you can use a triangle. If you want to use a line, like if you're doing lines, or a square, click and drag. Okay, that's kind of how you use your shapes button. Now let's say I'm done with this assignment and I'm ready to submit it. You don't see it on my view because I am the teacher, but on your view, there's going to be a button up here that says Submit Assignment or Turn In. Okay, once you see that turn in button, you want to go ahead and click on that. When that happens, it will bring you back to our Google Classroom here. One other thing I do want to point out is the due dates. This area right here tells you when our due dates are for each assignment. So it's very important to stay on top of each of those assignments that are being turned in. Everything that I assign to students will be graded. So if it is not turned in, your child will receive a 0 for the assignment. So it's very important to stay on top of what is being due daily and what is due by the end of the week. Okay, so that's our classwork button. And our grades button, you don't see anything right now, but it will show you all of the assignments that have been assigned and what grades you have. So everything that your child has received. So go ahead and take a look at 2 of those buttons. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.